Hello friends. Today, we're diving into the first of our 4 video series on marketing. This video will focus on how to differentiate your product. Let's start by identifying your primary target customer segment. Knowing who you are selling to is as crucial as knowing what you're selling. Define your primary target customer segment based on criteria such as gender, age group, location, lifestyle, income level, or similar factors. For example, since your product is pickles, your primary target consumers would be females aged 30 to 45 years old who make purchase of grocery items for their families. To fully understand the preferences and purchase-making behavior of your consumers, we need to identify key consumer factors that drive your target market's purchasing decisions. Since your target consumers are females aged 30 to 45 years old, they tend to prioritize the taste, the sour and sweet taste, and the packaging of the pickle bottle. Additionally, they tend to prioritize the price. Tailoring your product and marketing strategy to these factors is crucial. Now, let's understand how to differentiate your product. The key lies in outperforming your competition in areas such as flavor, the sour and sweet taste, color, price, and packaging. Think about what makes your product unique. Is it the locally favored taste, its affordability, the taste, or perhaps the packaging? Remember, differentiation is not just about the product itself but also how you present it to your customers. Next, it's important to decide what combination of products you should offer. To answer this, consider your target market's preferences, needs, and behavior. Offering a mix of imli pickle, imli chutney, and imli sauce might address different aspects of your customers' requirements. Finally, to effectively test your product idea before a full-scale launch, it's vital to validate the prototype. This could be done through discussions with your primary target segment or by asking a group of friends to review your product. Gather feedback multiple times to refine your product, from both females, their kids and males of the family. Like, share and subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. Thanks for watching. All the best.